So if you seal lots of printhead, definitely DTFPRO is better value. So we're going to show you how to seal the printhead. It comes in as a pretty large tube, which is more than what I expected. And these pads are for cleanup, so you wipe off if you get too much stuff on it. And also come with a really detailed instruction. That's a whole lot of silicone for your money. And just show you for the BCH, you have a precision tip, but it's much smaller than the DTFPRO. So if you seal lots of printhead, definitely DTFPRO is better value. We simply apply the silicone seal. This edge is most likely the ink going to get in. Here's where the cleanup pad is used for. The last thing you want to seal is the FFC cable, but you have to insert the cable first, then seal it. So we can go to DTFPRO.com and search for the word silicone. And it is this waterproof bundle, which has a silicone seal and also the pad for cleanup.